Okay, so first of all, very good evening all here means all students and especially ma'am. And this is Raman. And today really I am very happy because again means I get this opportunity to come here because this class who is managing, especially ma'am. See also sitting in front of me. See the way he is teaching, that is a fantastic things. I'm seeing here, so that's why I want to again here to talk this class students and especially them also, because the way he is teaching our students, I can understand means what kind of studies he is applying with especially our students while teaching our students. Because last time when I came here and I taught with so many students, and the way they have spoke about whatever I asked, like about introduction, about anything, all students they have spoke about very well. They have replied wonderful. So today finally I come here again, and now again first of all I would like to talk with ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, good evening, and tell me about something, how you are teaching and what kind of study you are applying while teaching with your students. So that's why day by day your students not only they are growing as a subject purpose, means subjectively, but also they are improving like English language. They are speaking very well. They are talking each other very well. So which kind of strategy you are applying, I want to know, because this video I would like to upload on YouTube channel. So not only we can see, but also hundreds and thousands of persons after uploading video, they will see and they will learn also. These are wonderful ideas. Please tell me more.
Firstly, good evening, sir, and good evening, my student. Today is a very fantastic day because we have a Ravi sir. Basically, my strategy is very clear. Because firstly, I identify their interest, and then I try to give my best. I'll give some different knowledge for individual students, and I always try. He learn a lot of study in English in term of basic term.
Okay, that's fantastic. I can understand, because person like hundreds and thousands, so many persons, they are working as a private teachers. They are teaching lots of students, but they never try to understand what students like. They don't want to know about student interest. So that's why they are not able to teaching properly our student, and that's why students they are not able to speak this language also. But here ma'am is applying wonderful studies, so that's why this class students they are growing well. And now whatever ma'am said about our students and about the strategy, now I want to talk this class student also, so then you can identify there, you can know about how this class students they are growing very well. Possible. Okay, so finally I have two students, and I would like to talk, not I would like to talk with them, but also I want to know about how they are doing practice. So that's why ma'am is saying like my students they are speaking very well and they have a wonderful knowledge about so many different topics. Okay, so please tell me about something, whatever you have done practice, whatever you have learned. So I want to know about. Please tell me.
Hi. Hello. Good evening. Very good evening. How are you? I am fine. And what about you? I am also fine. Thank you for asking. How is your going on study? My study is going very well. And your? My study is also going very well. Thank you for again asking me. Today I am very excited because I am learning so many topics in my English classes. Yes, I am also do lot of practice with topics. Now let me do some practice with topics. Yes. Please tell me about Chandrayaan 3. Thank you for asking me such a wonderful topic. Chandrayaan 3 is the third India's moon mission after Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 1. It was conducted by ISRO. It was sent into space on 14th July 2023. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center. It softly landed on moon surface from around 6 p.m. On 23rd August 2023. It became a fourth country to land on the moon. Thank you. You can tell about country. Thank you for asking me such a wonderful topic. My country name is India. Its capital is New Delhi. India's Prime Minister is Narendra Modi and President is Draupadi Murmu. India has 28 states and 11 union territories. In India, there are so many festivals are celebrated like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, etc. India has first position in population. India's currency is rupee. Thank you. You tell one more topic about G20.
Thank you for again asking such a wonderful topic. G20 is a group of 20 countries. It was founded in 26 September 1999. The theme of India's G20 presidency, Vasudev Kutumbakam. G20 was taken in New Delhi on 9 to 10 September. The current presidents of G20, India, and past president Indonesia, and future presidents Brazil. The G20 members are Saudi Arabia, Britain, India, Australia, and etc. You can tell one more topic about trees.
Again, thank you for asking me such a wonderful topic. Trees are very important for human beings because they support life on earth. They give us oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide that we exhale. These are direct source of food for many animals and humans. Trees are we support it from beginning cutting. Thank you.
Nice to talk with you.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such a wonderful opportunity. Really, it is such a wonderful honor to me to invite here, and really, it is such a wonderful pleasure. Now I feel more comfortable and very enthusiastic. Why? Because the way your students they spoke about. Because some like parents they told also like learning English language, so many teachers they are applying very different kind of strategy, like they try to give very limited material, so students one time they could learn and they try to speak use same word while speaking, while making. But your students, the way they have started talking each other, okay, and after that I think they have selected very difficult topic, because I think no one can believe, because the which topic I think your students they have selected all topics very difficult, but already they have selected and after that they have finished very well. Thank you so much all participants, and I hope you will continue the same strategy. Definitely you can grow your student very well, and your students one day they will achieve very milestones things. Please.
Firstly, thank you for coming, sir. And my strategy is like, firstly, thank you for coming, sir. And I think I thought कि English is a very strong subject. If we have a command on English, we can develop confidence. And I just try to become. I want to be my student very confident. So I just I always try to give my 100%. So basically, sir, next time I improve in different skills and I give my all best for those students.
Thank you so much. I hope and I believe. Thank you so much, Abhinav.